This tutorial is for first grade, Module 4, Lesson 9. In this lesson, we're going to introduce the less than greater than symbols to the students. The directions say circle the alligator that is eating the greater number. This is a visual reminder to students to pay attention to the direction of the greater than less than symbol. So you can see we have little teeth drawn on our symbols to help represent an alligator mouth. The idea being that an alligator would eat the greater number. If I look at the top symbol, the opening to the symbol is to the left side. That is my greater than symbol when I'm making my comparisons from left to right. If I look at the bottom symbol, the opening is to the right. That is my less than symbol when I'm comparing numbers from left to right. And again, the visual clue here is that the opening would be pointed toward the greater number. So in my first problem, I'm comparing 40 to 20. 40 is the greater number, so I'll go with this symbol. And I would read the statement as 40 is greater than 20. And again, the opening or the mouth is pointed toward the bigger number. Going across, I'm comparing 10 to 30. Well, 30 is the bigger number, so we would use this symbol because the mouth is pointed toward the bigger number. But I would read this as 10 is less than 30 when I read it from left to right, because this is the less than symbol. 10 is less than 30. When I compare 18 to 14, I know that 18 is bigger than 14, so I'm going to choose this symbol. The opening is pointed toward the larger number. When I read my comparison, I would read 18 is greater than 14, because this is the greater than symbol. Looking at problem D, I have 19. I'm comparing it to 36. Since 36 is the bigger number, I'll choose this symbol because the opening is pointed toward the larger number. I would read my statement as 19 is less than 36 because this is the less than symbol. It is important to have the students actually say the comparison after they choose the answer so they understand that this symbol, this top symbol, is the greater than symbol and the bottom symbol is the less than symbol, no matter what equation we see it in. In the next section, I'm going to write the numbers on the line so that the comparison makes sense. Looking at the first symbol, this is the greater than symbol. So whatever number I write on the left has to be greater than the number on the right. These are my choices. So 24 is greater than 4, and that's exactly how I would read this statement. 24 is greater than 4. In the next problem, my opening is pointed toward the right, so I want the larger number to the right of the symbol. That would be 38. I'll put 36 to the left. This symbol is the less than symbol, so I would read my comparison as 36 is less than 38. Over here, I have another less than symbol. The opening of the symbol would line up with the greater number, so we'll put the smaller number first. 14 is less than 15. And again, it's helpful to have the students read their statement after they put the numbers into the comparison. The directions in this section say if the alligator is eating the greater number, circle it. If not, cross it out. If I look at the first problem, I have 20 and 19. The opening of the symbol is pointed toward the 20, so that would be correct. I can read this statement as 20 is greater than 19. So this statement is correct. In the next problem, I have 32, and I'm comparing it to 23. The opening of the symbol is pointed toward the 23. Well, 23 is not the greater number, so the symbol should be turned around. So saying 32 is less than 23 is not correct. In my last section, I'm going to fill in the boxes to make correct statements. In the first problem, I have 1 10 and 2 ones, or the number 12. The symbol is showing me that this number is going to be greater than the number I'm comparing it to. So I need a number that is less than 12. I could put 1 or I could put 0. I'm going to put 1, and now when I read my statement, it says 12 is greater than 11. Going across, I have 27 and the symbol that says greater than. So 27 is greater than some other number that also has 2 10s. So I need another number in the 20s, but it can't be greater than 27. So let's say 3. 27 is greater than 23. In problem C, I have 25, and that's greater than another number that also has 5 in the ones place. Well, I need this to be the smaller number, so I cannot have 2 10s. We'll have to go down from there. Let's say 1 10. 25 is greater than 15. In problem D, 38 is my greater number because it's by the opening on my symbol. So this first number needs to be less than 38 because this is the less than symbol. So I can say 28. 28 is less than 38. And let's do a couple more here. I have 11, and I'm comparing it to another number. 11 needs to be the greater number because this is the greater than symbol. 11 is greater than 10. If I put any other number in my ones place, it would not be a true statement. So 11 is greater than 10. And finally, I have 24. I'm comparing it to another number with 4 ones. 24 needs to be less than my second number. This is the less than symbol. The opening is pointed toward the greater number. So I need a number bigger than 24 on the right-hand side. I can put anything in my tens place, so let's put 4. I would read this as 24 is less than 44. So not only do we need the students to pay attention to where the opening is in the symbol, but we want them to start recognizing the direction of the arrows in the symbols to decide whether the symbol is the greater than symbol or the less than symbol.